hope you're doing good. Today we're doing a very advanced video on how to remove a photo background. So on this one, guys, we are going for a very advanced, and I think we will have like two short breaks. Okay, we go to our polygon. As you know, we click here, right click to make it stop, right click to make it stop, right click to make it stop, until like you finished like the end part. You can move straight to the top again to see the top part. And guys, please don't forget to zoom the image so that you can make it more so that you can see clearly. Try to zoom and the images. Just try to zoom the image. Make sure that you click, guys. We're not using the magnet, we're using a polygon. A magnet, we were just going around next to the image where it will automatically sense itself. But today I feel like let's go for the polygon, so that guys you can master the polygon. And guys, one thing that you need to understand is after cutting the image, you also need like to check the mistakes, because there are minor mistakes, and you don't have to rush when editing your image or removing the background of your image, because the single mistake you will do when like trying to remove the background, it may result that you start afresh the whole image. You cannot just undo a single mistake, especially in at this process that what I just did, unless like you like, for example, if you did like this and you delete this, it's easy to undo it. But if like you use a polygon, you click here, you click here, you click here, then you want to undo this part, even if you say Control Z, it won't undo. So you better be careful. Like when editing an image, you have to try your best to be slow as you can, and try to choose to select slowly as you can. So we're done removing the unwanted place on the unwanted background on an image. Then we will select the image, Control A, Control C. We go to our background. This is our today's background. It's super big. This we still have a white pieces here, which means we still have a lot of things. We still have a lot to. So guys, we have to try to make it as. Then you can decrease, put it to 90. But putting it to 90, we can go to this. Then guys, here we used our magic stick. Okay, our magic stick is giving us hard time. We Control D. We can use the magnet. Start here. The magnet will automatically select the boundary because it can sense and it is very fast. But not that accurate. Also, you can double click. Put it here. We want to remove this small linear part. We want to remove this part. Oh my god, I had to choose a polygon. What I just. Control D, select a polygon. removing those unwanted parts, we can control A, then we can also control C. At the same time, we can use this, guys. I think I told you about this too, where we can just select the whole image, then you control C to copy the image. Come here, make sure this box thing don't appear before you paste, then you control V. We can decrease. By the way, this is Jupiter. Then you can make Jupiter a little bit to turn down the opacity. Then that's great. We can even increase the size. What is that? Guys, I think this is the most simple photo edit we ever did. Then let's try to add this fireball matching. Today we are using Oval. One tool we never we had a chance to use. You click, your left click, you hold, then you start creating an oval. Stop and control the copy, and then you come again here, you control, just make sure the box don't appear before you paste, then you paste. I didn't even copy the whole planet. See, then you decrease. So one thing, guys, that I would love to tell you, that I would love to show you, you have to be talented when it comes to this. You really have to be talented. This is what's happening. Then we can control A, we can control C, then we can paste it here. Then we can go to our image and remove the last overlay of which is Jupiter, the last image we did. Then we can cut the image. Just make sure that you right click, you cut it, and move as close as the mounting, as far as accurate as you can. Then you control X, then you control A, then you control C. You go again to this image, then you control V. Then boom, the planet is behind the mountain. Guys, these are small tricks which you need to understand and you need to master them. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Then we can even add some filters to make it more realistic. I think it's better. We can even add our color boost, and we can increase the brightness. Yeah, I think it's much better. By the way, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. This is how, guys, you remove the background, you add planet and an image, but just try to decrease the opacity as much as you can. If you add the color boost, the planet will be clear. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Guys, can you please listen the song of which I'll play right now, or play the 20 seconds of the song, and please, guys, listen the song and tell me what you think about the song. If you love the song, go to the description, click play click the link and stream the song on your favorite streaming platform. It is also available on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Started from the bottom, I never get thought I would sleep on the street. Having fun on the street, never get lost on the street. Gangsta life. I say gangsta life.